Okay, we're going to go ahead and use Mathies, and you can go to Mathies, which is mathies.ca, and when you get to that website, you'll have to scroll down to the learning tools, or at the very top look for learning tools, and then look for relational rods, which I'm going to use. And here I'm going to model for you is, for example, if I have 2/3 and let's just say 3/5, and I want to add these fractions or compare these fractions. So normally students know the numerator is the part and the denominator is the whole. So let me get out of here, undo that. So I know I'm going to have the number 2 and over 3, 2/3. The 2 is 2/3 of 3. That's my whole. Down here I have 3/5. 3 out of 5. Now I'm going to compare my 3 and my 5. Those are my wholes, part to whole. My wholes are not the same. So look at the smallest one, which is 3. And we're going to use the idea of cloning. So I'm going to click on both of these and I'm going to clone them. This 3 and this 3 is 6. It's greater than 5. Therefore, I've got to clone the bottom. I have 5 and 5 is 10, and 3 and 3 is 6. Therefore, I'm going to have to clone this again. This is 3, 3 is 9, 5 and 5 is 10. I've got to clone this again. Now I have 12, 10. I've got to clone this one as 15. Clone this. Now I'm able to see that they're both the same size. I was able to clone, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, I did 4, 5. So I know it's times 5, times 5. So 2 times 5 is 10, and 3 times 5 is 15. So 2/3 is equal to 10/15. I do the same thing down here as 3/5. We did it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, times 3, times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, and 5 times 3 is 15. Now I can have a choice. If I'm comparing, I compare 10/15 with 9/15, so 10/15 is greater than 9/15. How much greater? That's your subtraction problem. Or if you want to have an addition, if you're adding these fractions with unlike denominators, this is a great way to model. I will then proceed to show you in a minute how you can use grid paper to model. Hopefully this helps. Again, this is mathies.com, or you can use Cuisenaire rods.